Good day friends, welcome to our channel System Tour. In this video we're going to see about the top most important shortcut keys in MS Excel. Let's go to the video. These are some of the top 15 important MS Excel shortcut keys. The first one, Ctrl+1 to show the format cells window. Say for example, I'm doing the right click and then I want to go to this format cells. So this is one of the most important window which we will be using on a frequent basis, right? So if you want to change something in the alignment or font, border, whatever it could be, you have to use format cells. So instead of using that, you can simply press Ctrl 1. The shortcut key to enable the format cells is Ctrl 1. Okay, the second one, Alt plus equal to. So this shortcut key will be helpful for us to insert the auto sum formula. Let us go here and check it out. So I want to sum all these numbers. So the easiest way here is place your cursor here, press Alt equal to and enter. That's it. I'll be able to get the total of the particular column immediately. Here I'm going to place the cursor now and again I'm going to place Alt equal to. Yes. So Alt equal to will do the sum column wise as well as row wise. If you want to do the sum, then the easiest shortcut key is Alt plus equal to. This is the second shortcut key. The third one is Ctrl Z, which is very useful for you. If I want to insert a particular row here, insert and then select rows. Again, place the cursor here, press F4 so that you can easily repeat the last action, right? So this is the easy way to remember. Again, if you don't want to insert anything, we all know the shortcut key which is Ctrl Z, right? This is the easy way to use Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. The next shortcut key here is Ctrl D, which is filling down. Okay, I'm going here. I want to use the same catch, the same word to be appeared here. The simplest way is press Ctrl D, so that whatever is in the top, it will immediately fills down, right? The same way here, I'm going here and then press Ctrl D. So this is the shortcut key to fill down. The next combination of Ctrl D here is Ctrl R, which is fill on the right hand side. So D for down and R for right. Say for example, if I want to have the same word catch on here, then Ctrl R. Again, I'm going to press the cursor here, press Ctrl R so that whatever the value which is on the left hand side, the same value will be picked up on the right hand side. So D for down and R for right. The next two shortcut keys are very important. First one goes about Control spacebar to select the entire column. See, if I want to select this entire column, press Control spacebar to select the entire column. Similarly, if you want to select a particular row, then whatever Control does, Shift will does opposite way. If you press Shift spacebar, it will select the entire row. So Control is for column and Shift is for row. That is the easy way to remember. And then the Control Shift arrow keys. This plays a vital role, especially if you see here, if you want to extend the selection to the last non-blank cell, then this would be the best shortcut key. For example, I want to select all the months. If that is the case, I'm pressing Control Shift down arrow. Again, I want to select from here, I want to select the entire right hand side. Again, Control Shift right arrow. So this is the easy way to select the last non-blank cells on the down and on the right hand side. And then Control arrow to move to the edges of the region. Say for example here, so let me place my cursor here, and if you want to move on the down arrow, catch me if you can. See? So this is the easy way to use Control down arrow, Control up arrow, Control right arrow and Control left arrow. You can play with arrows here. And the next one goes about Control plus home. Say for example, if you are in a sheet like this, you shouldn't feel that it is an empty sheet, right? You have to press Control home to go back to the beginning of the sheet and ensure whether content is there or not. So if you want to move to the beginning of the file, then you have to use the shortcut key called Control Home. Wherever you are, doesn't matter. If you press Control Home, you will be going to the top left extreme corner. And then if you want to move to the next sheet in the active workbook, then you can use Control Page Down. See, now I have two different sheets. One is the shortcut keys and working sheets. If I want to navigate from this to next sheet, then I can use Control Page Down. Similarly, if I press Control Page Up, then it will move to the previous sheet. So these two shortcut keys will be definitely helpful on a daily basis. And then if you want to enter a particular date, which is the current date, then you can use Control semicolon. It will provide you the current date. Similarly, if you want to update the current time, then you can press Control Shift colon. So Control semicolon is for date and Control Shift colon is for time. So I hope all these shortcut keys will be definitely useful for you. So remember the thumb rule. So keyboard always acts faster than mouse. So please bear in mind and then try to utilize all the shortcut keys on a daily basis so that definitely you will save enormous amount of your time. Thank you so much and have an excellent day.